Hey everybody, we are at the aqueduct and we got a green, Mr. Green.
Hi, Mr. Green.
And then a blue. Hi Blue. He looks like a baby though, Mr. Green. See if I can get closer.
Hi, Mr. Green.
Mr. Green.
Look at you. Hi, Blue Blue.
Look, and there's Blue.
Oh, Mr. Green.
He's hunting.
You're so close.
Mr. Green.
You're so close, buddy. Look at him.
And
He says, I'm going to get myself a fishy.
Blue's just like,
Look at him. Whoa, whoa. Watch it, Mr. Green. He almost fell.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. He's so green.
He almost fell in the water. Is that a snake or
Okay.
a...
Bye. Hi guys, we're at the aqueduct. Look. Here's Mr. Green. Oh my God, so cute.
Mr. Green. What'd you just get?
What did you just eat?
Bug?
Yeah, something. Mr. Green. There's... Wait, where's Mr. Blue? Mr. Blue. Woo, woo. Hold on, guys. Might get a stomachache there. All right. Here's Mr. Blue. Where'd Mr. Green go? Oh. There's Mr. Green. And right here is Big Ass Mama Snake. Oh yeah, Big Mama. Okay, bye.